Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get secret brain rots in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and actually this is a tutorial for beginners. So if you are already pro, you can skip this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to go back to my garden guys, and basically if you want to get the secret brain rots, you need to have secret plants in your garden. You can talk to George, and then you can buy the secret plant, for example this cocoa tang or the mango seed or star fruit or the Brussels sprout seeds. Yeah, it's up to you, but you need to have secret plants in your garden because the brain rots that spawn is according to the plants that you have in your garden. If you have secrets, so the secret brain rots will be possible to spawn, and it will have a bigger chance to spawn. Okay guys, and that's all the tips from me. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.